After we adjust the level of the label, the height of the label for the bottle, now we have to adjust the sensor. So just put the bottle to here at the sensor, then press this button for 3 seconds. It will sense the bottle for distance. Okay. The sensor has been set it already. Then let's check if it's correct or not. Let's go to control panel, go to screen and press PLC here. You can see there's X1 feed signal, and move the bottle. So the lights, when the sensor senses the bottle, the light is on, which means the sensor has been set up good. Okay, then let's try. Let's go to auto and press on. The machine will be start. Okay.